Hello, this is Chris McVey with KDE Direct. Today I'm going to be going over our KDE XF series multi-rotor motors being operated in wet or water conditions. All of our brushless motors are capable of wet or water conditions. This is actually true of almost any brushless motor based upon how well the windings are insulated. The winding insulation and condition of the bearings are what determine if the motor will last after being continuously ran in wet conditions. With proper maintenance and bearing inspections and replacements, our motors will last a very long time in these conditions. Our winding insulators are double dip for protection, unlike other manufacturers in the market. Our bearings have a 200-hour working lifespan in standard operating conditions. If the motors are ever submerged in water on a regular basis, the bearings would need a higher interval of inspection and replacement. In moist or wet conditions, proper cleaning after flights is important for bearing lifespans. Also, simply taking the motor apart for inspection on a regular basis will determine the lifespan of the bearings. Here is an example of our motors operating in water. After the motor is operated in the water, we take it apart for inspection and cleaning with an air compressor. Sea, or salt water, is a harsher condition than basic water. If not properly inspected and water removed from the motor after flight, this can cause magnets to rust and bearings to prematurely fail. The motors can operate in these conditions with proper maintenance as described before. You would simply inspect the bearings more often and replace at higher intervals. I hope this information helps cover our KDE XF series motors operating in wet conditions. Thanks for watching.